Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It's up to you. Let's tap on contacts here. Let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me choose this one. Then we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So basically this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo attached. So all we have to do now is to tap on add picture or simply this circle, this icon, and there we will go, we will be transferred to this section, the device photos, Google Photos and illustrations. So illustrations are those online graphics from which you can choose something, and to be honest, if you do not have the photo of some of the person of the person's contact you'd like to customize, I highly recommend to go to the illustrations, because there you've got a lot of beautiful options to choose from. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something matching to this person. The Google Photos, which are basically your backup photos, and the device photos, where we can enter the gallery or we can open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. But obviously I will choose the gallery. Now let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it, for example this one. And as you can see in this section, we can change the size of the photo, we can change the position of it, and basically all we have to do is to position everything in this highlighted circle, as it is the place which is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So just position it like you want to, of course, and then tap on choose. And as you can see, the photo will immediately appear in the circle. So if you're happy with the result, just tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo, of course, on the contact list, but for example, also during incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.